Okay, so now here's where we have to be careful. It has midpoint A, and I have A. Okay, so I'm not finding the midpoint here. I'm finding the other endpoint. So this is the other kind of problem that you're going to have come up, and you have to read these carefully because if you see the word midpoint, I know what happens because we're so used to math being the same thing repetitively over and over again. We see that word midpoint, we're like, okay, cut it in half, and we don't even read the rest of the question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, it's super important here to label these. And I also think it's a good idea to highlight the midpoint like that. Because now what I know is that this other point should be someplace over here. Okay, so the A is going to be in the middle. So if I am trying to find this and I end up trying to go off the graph or something, I'm going the wrong direction. So what I should do to do this the best way is I should start at the end point and travel over to the midpoint. So and figure out how that happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went 5 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I went 7 down. To get A to be right in the middle, I need to do that again. All right, from the midpoint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which would put me right there. It's point G. And its coordinates are -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. Now, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and see if that worked out as the midpoint by like drawing in the whole thing there. But as long as you've been careful, you should be okay. And then make sure that that A that's highlighted in yellow is in the middle of that line segment, or else it doesn't